Alright, this is Freddy over at Platinum Auto World. We're going to be shooting a quick video of this vehicle that just came in. This right here is a 2015 Mercedes-Benz SLK 350 convertible. It currently has 116,000 miles. Hope this video gives you a better idea what this car looks like in person. Give us a call with any questions you may have at 540-898-8300. This vehicle is available now at driveplatinum.com. Thank you very much for watching.